Hey, welcome to Cebu City. This is Queen City of the South. It's where the skyscrapers reach for the clouds, and the streets, they remind you to keep your feet on the ground. Hey guys, Kevin and
Maria
here with LumpiaLife. And you know, we've lived in a few places here in the Philippines. In Butuan, I think 3 places.
Yeah.
Yeah. We lived in close to the city, a little bit outside the city, and then way out in the province.
Yeah.
And now we are here in Cebu. We're exploring Cebu. And let me tell you, this place is a mashup of, you know, old and new and modern, and it's just beautiful. It's really diverse, and there's a lot of contrast. You step out, and, you know, you might be in a little neighborhood, little village, and then right next door to that is a huge office building or condominium.
The contrast is like night and day.
Yeah.
You know, the contrast.
Yeah.
It's like night and day.
Yeah.
Totally extreme.
Right.
But it's beautiful. You get to see both worlds.
Right.
You know, get to appreciate.
Yeah.
You know, this side and the other side.
Take Cebu Business Park, for example. It's clean, it's organized, and honestly, it feels like you're in BGC or, I don't know, downtown Miami. So it's pretty crazy. You got malls, gyms, craft coffee shops.
Clubs.
Yeah. You know, the coffee can cost more than a meal in some cases. I mean, look at this. You can get a cold brew, Wi-Fi, with a motivational quote printed on your cup. It's like therapy to go. Okay. Salamat. But here's the thing that makes Cebu so unique. You know, just a few minutes walk from all that modern hustle, and you're in a totally different world. It's amazing. Ang hapon. How are you? Duha. Dynamite. Oh.
Let me the
10, right?
15.
15.
15.
Yeah. So 30.
Oh, 30.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Alright, salamat.
Salamat.
This is called dynamite. It's like a lumpia with like a, what do they call that?
Lambuyo.
Lambuyo.
Lambuyo?
Ano? Atsal.
Oh,
Atsal.
O ano, sili espada.
Sili espada.
Sili espada. Oh.
Salamat.
So dynamite.
You had it before, I liked it.
Yeah. I've had it before. I'm looking for halang dynamite. Because, you know, you're expecting spicy. So,
Good.
dynamite, really good. Santo Niño dos Chapel. Just a small little church here in the middle of the barangay. I want to be clear here that this is not a video of look at the poor people, you know. This is Cebu. This is life here in Cebu City. It's diverse and it's layered. And no matter your address, you know, everybody contributes to the city, Cebu City. So, no, thank you.
Thank you.
Salamat. Just like these guys, contributing to their neighborhood. What some might call a slum, you know, others call home. You'll see families laughing, sorry stores booming, kids playing basketball in their bare feet. Not one of them just thinking about the latest iPhone update. This is real life. And everybody makes this city work. Billiards.
Yes, sir.
Billiards.
Billiard?
Very nice. Custom.
Kamu rin naghimo?
Getting nails done. Here's the little 𝗁𝗂𝗃𝗃 we went to the other day. You want to see if they have any new supply?
Yes.
All right. Here, give me this.
Ayo. And there's another one. There's another one over there.
Usara, sir. Usara.
Oh, lami kayo.
Lami, gini, sir.
Salamat.
Sir, oh. Thank you.
Okay. Salamat.
Mango.
That's good.
39 pesos. Very refreshing. It's a reminder for me, at least, not to judge a place or a person by surface appearances. Whether someone's living in a condo or a kubo, you know, we're all just trying to make it through the day. And if you ask me, the real beauty of Cebu isn't in the buildings. It's in the people, the resilience, the way everybody shares the same sun. So whether you're sipping espresso in the business park or buying Pandesal on the street, you know, look at the contrast. The contrast is so amazing, and it's what makes Cebu, Cebu. All right, guys. Well, we hope that you enjoyed today's video, and we really appreciate everybody out there tuning in. Again, spending your time watching us, and we hope to see you in the next one. Don't forget to
Like and subscribe.
and put a comment down below. Tell us your best Pandesal, your best dynamite, your best espresso.
You'll never go wrong with Pandesal.
No. We
Yeah.
got some this morning, by the way.
Yeah.
2 pesos a piece. That's that's very cheap. Anyway, but get up between
45.
4 a.m. to 5 a.m. That's when the fresh stuff comes out. I went down there about 5:30 this morning.
Thank you. Just across from us.
Yeah, what we featured was our barangay. We live in the barangay that we toured around, which is called Barangay 𝗁𝗁𝘁. So, Barangay 𝗁𝗁𝘁, thanks for having us, and we hope to see you again. All right, guys, see you in the next one.
Thank you.
Bye for now.
Bye for now.